Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Zarena.b and what is the blood clot tea? So basically for today's video, we're going to be doing a mukbang and I have a very special guest with me.
Hi, I'm Zainab.
Yeah, so Zainab is my sister. If you watched my first Get Ready With Me, I mentioned her there. So here is she on my channel. So this is kind of like a seafood / African mukbang. I don't know how to explain it. I'm insert a clip of all the food in a hot minute. So yeah. Also, this is also a sister tag as well, just to kind of combine everything together. So stay tuned and keep watching. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's go.
That black yo magic, 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 magic, black yo magic.
What we're gonna start with?
Crabs, obviously.
Yes, crabs. I'm gonna take off my rings for this because it's a serious business.
So I'm
I'm
gonna reach
buzzed.
over.
I'm actually scared. What the hell is this? Did you ask for shrimp?
I did.
Not the regular butter sauce. It's like atadidi. I don't know if you're not Yoruba, you wouldn't understand, but it's like a spicy sauce that's like. This is so scary. What the hell? What do I do? This is fucking. We have some yam as well. We have some chicken. We have some rice. That's so good. Oh my days. That's so good.
Found the shrimp.
Oh, there's shrimp as well. Yeah. So good. Okay, how do I open this now? How do you open this?
How do we open what?
Yes. My one is
Just pull it apart. Oh my god, it's kind of greasy.
oh my days. What the heck?
So I suppose I'm asking the questions then.
Yeah.
So who is the youngest, oldest? So I'm the oldest.
Yeah, clearly she's older. Do you want to see her age or is that you're hiding that from the public?
I'm 23.
Really? No cap. I'll be telling everyone that you're 24.
Wow.
No cap. I actually, yeah, and
That's
then
just
I'm
rude.
17, which you guys should know about already. Next question.
And what do you like about your sister?
You start first.
Wow, this is a tough one.
Very.
I think
It's gonna be that hard,
what do I like?
how do I do this?
I like that you're funny.
That's it.
Yeah, you're funny. What's wrong with you?
Is that crab?
That's crab.
You need to take a fork, break the stuff, and it's inside. Oh.
This is Bush Girl 101. I can't even lie.
So you see where I'm breaking? It's inside the leg
This is
where the white meat is.
This is effort.
That's why it makes a good video, because it's so much effort.
You need to earn it.
Just careful, the bones can be quite sharp.
Yeah. Looking like I'm not gonna eat this thing whole today.
So turns out the seafood mukbang is a no bang. Ooh, okay, well there goes my new top.
Oh yeah, you're not answering the question What?
Oh,
Yeah. What?
oh, I said that you're funny.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's really it.
You are funny.
That's it. Not anything that oh, I'm inspirational.
Okay, what do you like about me?
I like that you're hardworking. Do you know what I mean? That I don't know how to explain it, but you know you. You're very sure of
Period.
yourself. Yeah, you're very sure of yourself. And you can't, I don't know how to explain it. Wow, I look ratchet.
Ghetto.
Yeah, I look very ghetto. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but that's just that. You know you and you strive for what you want, I mean, you don't really care about people's opinions. I like that.
Thank you.
Now, we answered the question. What do you like about me?
I like that you're 100% yourself. Yeah, I like that.
I try.
Even when mom is like, Aisha, why are you like this? You're like, get with the program.
Period.
Is that it?
What do you and your sister have in common?
Eat, have drink.
I forgot the drink. I don't have water.
Let's open on joke. Yeah, what do we have in common?
By the way, this is important. Please leave this in. The food is from Irawa Kitchen in Dublin. She made and brought the food over.
Go plug it, because this thing bangs.
It is good.
Oh, wow.
The African twist is lovely.
Oh, yeah. Shout out to you still.
Wait, what was the question? What do you have in common?
Yeah, that's the other one.
Apart from DNA. We both like looking sexy.
Oh, yeah. Almost sexy babes.
You
both
both
like looking-
dinner and
If someone said, come look good, trust, we're both coming looking good. Period. Nah, that's what I can say that with my chest. You cannot chat for me. Like, if you say come looking good for this day,
My
trust.
style is a bit more classy, but
So my
style is very classy,
shade.
but we both like looking good.
What else?
Your turn.
Oh, I feel like we have the same humor. Like we get the things that we laugh about. Do you know what I mean? I swear that's kind of it. Like, I don't know. Like, I think not that it has anything to do with age, but I think there is a difference with age. So then obviously, like something I would be interested. She would be interested. Do you know what I mean? So, but then it's good like to talk because then we talk about like our differences as well. Do you know what I mean? Like, so yeah, but that's that. Next question. Just chicken bangs. Can't even lie about that.
And there's more.
There's more chicken.
Yeah, this is just the one I heated up.
Oh, bloody hell.
Whose room is a mess?
You can't lie to me.
Zarena.
No.
She's so messy. I've never met someone so messy.
No, I'm not.
She's actually so messy.
No, I'm not. It's just like I clean it when it needs to be cleaned. Like I like everything. Like I put everything in a specific place for a reason. It may look like messy to other people, but it's a system. Do you know what I mean?
It's a system that doesn't work.
It works for me because I be knowing where everything is.
What does your sister think about the most? Her social media?
To an extent, yeah. Like now when I've been so like well, I don't know how to explain this in English, but like as of now, like what's on my mind so much is like my brand and just building it. So social media obviously does have a big part in it and stuff like that. So I guess you could say that. For you, I would say just being better. Like just being a better you. That makes sense. I don't know what's on your mind.
Being a better me. Well, that's not wrong. I'm always trying to be better and to excel.
Like yeah, be better at your craft. Like
yeah, I'm always trying to do that. I care a lot about what I do. So even though right now I look bumper clad, I'm actually I do care a lot about not my image per se, but
I think everybody does.
no, but not my image. Not in like a trying to be a brand and stuff like that. But I care about building on what I have and constantly trying to improve on my skills. And like I think you can try and be better, but sometimes people don't actually learn to improve. They think they've already gotten there, but I'm very concerned with trying to just always learning more, learn as much as I can.
Nobody's perfect, like there's always room for improvement in everybody.
Exactly.
How would you describe your childhood? So let me repeat. How would you describe your childhood?
She started it.
You want to war?
You want to?
What does Dublin mean to you? With 3 words. So in 3 words, what does Dublin mean to you?
Just like this could be random words, yeah. Freedom, opportunities, growth.
I would say the exact same thing. Easily.
You can't. You need something new.
Okay, for me, Dublin means opportunity to be better.
Because that's me, like, where you copy
It's the same thing.
It's too many words.
I'm just too smart.
It's the same thing. That's exactly what it means to me, though.
I'm kind of full.
Okay, 2 words.
You
Zainab,
finish the chicken.
There's more chicken later.
what comes to mind? Quick.
When I think about Dublin, I think about freedom to be myself 100%. Yes. Bitch.
What makes you sisters?
Even though we shade each other,
Shared.
shade,
Oh, yeah.
we actually have each other's back.
You think so?
I think so.
Alright.
Even though we try to, like,
Act like we don't give a crack about each other.
I think we actually do have each other's back.
I'd say so too.
Yeah.
I'd say so too.
And I like that we can talk to each other about, like, most things. Like, we don't actually...
Hide things from each other, yeah.
Because we don't actually care. Not that we don't care, but because we don't actually, like, make a big deal about things. It's chill, like...
Yeah.
Like, I'm not one of those sisters that's, like, obsessive and, like, trying to be controlling.
We're not that far apart from each other, like, in terms of age. So, like, I feel like you understand me a bit more.
If Giath is watching now, just
I know he is, because Get shades me. Do you know that?
I know.
I saw your comment in the last video. You don't think, oh, I would teach you when I get home.
So just before your brother Giath presses the dislike tone, what would you like to tell him that you think he should know?
Okay. To our 12-year-old brother.
Lose the attitude, okay? It's not cute. Stop it, because I'm going to come for you. Don't try with me.
And something inspiring or encouraging? Maybe you want to encourage something in him, like a
You do you. Besides what any other outside points of views will have to say,
Just be yourself.
yeah. Follow your heart.
Whatever you want in life.
No tea, no shade. Actually, all the tea, all the shade. But it's just whatever, like,
Be yourself.
yeah.
Don't let people influence you, because people will talk about you should be doing this, you should be doing that.
If you like something is not for you, then stand your ground and be like, no, that's not where my heart is for. I want to do this. And if that person can't back you, then just throw shade.
Are you top age? Did you feel yourself for the first time?
Did I feel me?
Mm-hmm.
Once I came to college.
Same.
Yeah, I can't even lie. I'm not capping. Like, once I entered Dublin and I, like, obviously started college, I've never felt more myself.
I'm free.
Yeah, I'm just free to be who I am.
100%, I agree.
Once again, no tea, no shade back in the end and that. Do you know what I mean? But it's a bit of a toxic place to kind of like still. So, yeah. That's why I would recommend, if you're going to go to college, if you are comfortable, I know not everybody can do that, do you know what I mean? But if you feel like you can, move away, like, and just find yourself. You learn a lot more about yourself. Will we end it? So, that's all. It won't be like 10 minutes anyway. Oh, I'm stuffed. So, guys, that is the end for this video. I am stuffed. Are you stuffed? There's still so much food left in the kitchen, so I'm gonna take it home with me, but it was actually so good. So shout out to the girl that made it. Shout out to the girl that made it. You actually the bomb. Like, this was bang. Like, I can't even like. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to get 200 by the end of the month. We're nearly halfway, so please subscribe. And also comment down below any other videos you would like to see me do, or even if you want to see my sister back on this channel again. Also like and comment, stuff like that. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Any last words for the people?
My mouth is full. That's it. Bye.
Okay, turn it on your mouth now. My hand is like, look at the leg. Turn it on. You can turn it off like.